Guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick video. Just got back after 2 days. Just received back the Alfa from the paint and body, all the buffing and cutting and getting her really looking good, fixing a few little issues here and there. So let's walk around the car. Let me show it to you. Again, this is a very quick video, but I want to keep videoing this and basically a log of everything being done, especially since this will be going on Bring a Trailer once it's done. So I want the possible new owner or people bidding to be able to watch all the videos of this car being put back together. All right, so let's just walk around it. I want to show you a few things and we'll go from there. All right, guys, and here it is. I mean, it went from something like this, just kind of real dull. Some places were shiny. That's the green one, the 67, to now this. So let's just kind of walk around. I've got the hood. The hood was off of the car, so we did not put it back on. So I just got, for right now, these things resting on the hood, but the hood will be going up in the attic for a while, covered up, while I guess while I'm on vacation, and then while we're putting the motor back in and doing all that stuff. So lots of work to be done, and the hood was going to come off eventually. Also, the doors are going to come off. We're gonna respray the inside, sand down, spray the inside of the door, so I have all the mirror, all the windows and all the window and all that stuff's out of it now. So we're going to do that. Let me go out a little wider, and so that'll be painted inside. It's coming. It's just going to happen another day. Anyway, so here we go. A couple of quick things. I'm going to do some PDR on it. There was I don't know if you can see it, but right there, I'll get a PDR guy to come in and massage that out. So I don't know if that's where the mirror was at one point and it was filled in for some reason. I'm not quite sure. But anyway, we'll do that. There's going to be a few blemishes. We didn't repaint the car from when it was painted. So there's a few little things here and there on the car. It's painted, and I would say it's a incredible job. But, there may be a few little things here and there that are just going to have to stay the way they are, but it's really not bad. I mean, it's hard to see. There may be a few little divots here and there on the body, but what they were trying to do is not to use filler on this car. And so it's just so hard to see them, but there's a few, and want to be 100% transparent. Front looks great. Absolutely great. Here's the passenger side. I mean, it is so shiny. I mean, I think it's almost as shiny as my Porsche in a way. Parts will be in next week. I go on vacation. Hopefully you guys will follow us along on vacation. There's some pretty cool places we're going, but I want to do some wins. I want to get the badges on when I get home, and we'll be starting, the first round will be brakes, getting brakes done. I've got some, let me show you here and we'll get back to the paint. I'm just kind of jumping all over the place. Sorry about that. I got the brake lines to run the last two things, brake lines going from the booster down to the master cylinder under the floor. This is a pedal car, of course, and then from the reservoir. So all that's coming. So we got that. I've got this tool. It's from Tool Guy Republic. I'll leave a link down below. But if you're seriously working on tools and or on brake lines and flaring them, this is the one to get. It works off the vise, and it is awesome. It's kind of pricey, I think $150, $160, but I want this to be perfect. Okay, back to the car. Let me go on the passenger side. I apologize. So anyway, so again, I mean, I can just see small little dust particles here and there. It's just going to happen. I mean, this is not from the factory, but the paint, as you can see, is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Step up here, same thing on the hood. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I am super, super excited. This was just done over the weekend, so it's going to cure here for probably about 15 days. And then my buddy Patrick, who painted it, who buffed it and all that, he's going to take the doors with him because they got to come off anyway when I put the interior in. He's going to take this, clean the doors up, spray the doors. I've got the glass and everything out, as I said. Spray the doors and get those perfect, just like it is on the outside right now. And go from there. So it's just going to be the doors. Other than that, I think we are good to go. Had a chip here and he filled it in. I don't know how he did it, but he filled it in and it is perfect. But, you know, a little dust nub here and there. You can see it from about right there. So again, there's going to be a little bit of it, but it just is what it is. No rust on this car at all. Was completely gone through the rockers, the inner seals and the inner seals and all that, completely repaired and fixed. And as we said on the other video, full rhino liner on it. It's just perfect. But I wanted to show you a quick video of the outside and what the buffing did. I mean, the paint job was amazing. And now just being able to bring it out through buffing it is really cool. I'll show you right here in the end. I'll show you I'll walk around towards the end. I'll walk around and you can see the car when it was outside. So we'll go back in time, but not really back in time. Anyway, all right, guys, that is it. I appreciate it. I'll roll the B-roll of the car sitting outside just a few minutes ago. You can see that, and then that will be it. So until the next video, please like, subscribe, ring that bell. Now let's roll the footage from outside. God bless.